The eyes and ears of the gaming community are pretty much looking toward that of Sony. With Microsoft and Nintendo having released their latest consoles, everyone is wondering what from Sony and when. Now, Sony have indeed broken their silence on the PS5 directly, just to a small number of customers, but what is interesting is how they've done it. I'm Stu, this is 3B, and try not to get too excited. We all want to know when the PS5 will be released, or correction, we all want to know what or if the PS5 will be a thing, and if so, what kind of thing. Now, there are those of us, me included, that are part of a Sony community created by Sony, by invite only, that discusses the PlayStation. And this can be anything from games to ads, thoughts on consoles, and much more. Most of the time they will show us a different version or various different versions of ads that they want to run, and then we'll be asked a series of questions on what we like and why. Now, I can't show you this forum, and no doubt actually me discussing this with you today could have them remove me, but I wanted to share this with you because it's kind of interesting, and I've been waiting a while to do it and thinking whether I should or not. But here we go. Most of these questions in the community lately have been around the Xbox One X and Nintendo Switch. There have been some on there about VR too. However, one recently caught my eye. It was just a week or so ago. They were asking what we would like to see from the PlayStation 5. Now, what is interesting is that they're not being ambiguous by saying, what would you see from a next-gen console? They are referring directly to the PS5. Furthermore, they are asking the community what they would love to see from the PS5. Now, some of the comments were to be expected, twice as powerful as the Xbox One X, or was a common one, and 60 frames per second at 4K was to be expected. Now, this is interesting for a number of reasons. Sony must be developing the PS5 now, already. What makes the question to the community interesting is this. Perhaps Sony are further behind any real physical product than we would like to imagine. And if they are asking a community what they would like to see, to then take those answers and put them into a physical console takes development, time, and a good amount of cash. Or hopefully perhaps they are just already have the hardware mostly locked down and are using this community to confirm that what the PS5 is aiming for is mostly what people want. Now, I hope it's the latter, as otherwise we could be in for a much longer wait than we had first thought. What do you think? When do you think we will see the PS5, and what do you think the specifications will be? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And please have a look at the website bitsbytesandbobs.com and look out for my other videos, and I'll see you there. Thanks again. Catch you later. Bye bye.